This video is going to take you through a practice session that will lead to you being able to play all of the Seven Nation Army melody. We're going to start with a long note warm-up, then we're going to do some tonguing to make sure we've got that capability to separate those notes really accurately, and then we're going to chunk up the melody until we can play it all the way through. At any point, feel free to pause the video, go over a little bit. What I would expect you to be doing is doing that all the way through to make sure that you can really accomplish it. But all the way through, we're also going to do some call and response, so you'll need your instrument out now. I'll play something and then you'll play it back, just like we do in class. Okay, so we'll start off with some long notes. Let's start just on a C, 4 beats on, then rest, 2, 3, 4, play, 2, 3, 4, rest, 2, 3, 4. I'll play with you to start with, so we're both going to start at the same time. Just starting on a C, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Now D, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Now E, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Now F, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. G, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Now A, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay, great. Now what you should have been doing was breathing in on the 3, 4, so it should be 1, 2, breathe in, play, 2, 3, 4, stop. Okay, you'll notice I was focusing on getting my notes nice and even. They were the same all the way through. The only kind of wavering was caused by the fact I was stamping at the same time. Now we're going to go down now. We're going to start on C. We'll go C, then B flat, then A, because these are notes you need for the Seven Nation Army riff. We might as well revise those and make sure they're fresh in your mind. So, start on a C again, play for 4, rest for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And breathe in. 2, breathe in. And breathe in. Now B flat, breathe in. And breathe in. And breathe in. And 3, 4. Now A, 3, 4. And breathe in. And breathe in. And breathe in. Nice. Now we should be able to play the Seven Nation Army riff all the way through perfectly by now. I'm just going to play it to you once. Okay, that's what we're aiming for. I'm not going to spend too long on that now. If you can't play that yet though, stop the video now and learn that. We're going to focus on the melody now. There's one note in the melody that we need to have a look at first. That's a C sharp, C with a hash sign after it. To play that, we put down all 3 fingers. It's a note that's a tiny bit higher than a C. So if you listen, I'll play you a C, then a C sharp. Then if we add D as well. So let's just practice that C sharp after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, 3, 4. 2 beats on C, 2 beats on C sharp, 2 beats on D. So we'll go. With me, 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, 2, 3, 4. Great. Now, for that first phrase of the melody, I'm just going to play it to you. I'm just going to play the first phrase. We get 1, 2, 3. Now, all of that I'm separating with my tongue. Can you say ta 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 ta? Okay, so your tongue fits behind your top teeth when you're saying ta. That's what you need to do on the trumpet when you're separating those notes. So we're just going to start off on a D, and I'm going to play some rhythms. I want you to play them back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, nothing is moving apart from my tongue. My embouchure, my lips are really firm. Only my tongue is moving to change that note. So that first phrase, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, D, 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 F, D, D. Okay, let's try that. 1, 2, 3. And again in 1, 2, 3. And again in 1, 2, 3. And again in 1, 2, 3. Let's try that a little bit slower. 1, 2, 3. And again in 1, 2, 3. Great. Now the next phrase. A 7-nation army couldn't hold me back. Your turn. Sorry, let's try that after 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. A 7-nation army couldn't hold me back. And again, 3, 4, 1, 2. A 7-nation army couldn't hold me back. Good, now let's try playing that nice and slowly. So we've got C, D, C, D, C, D, 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 D. Still using our tongue really clearly through all of this, okay? After 3, 4, 1, 2, let's try that all together. 3, 4, 1, 2. And again, 3, 4, 1, 2. Great. Now, the first 2 phrases together go like this. We've got 1, 2, 3. 3, 4, 1, 2. Okay, play that with me this time in 1, 2, 3. 3, 4, 1, 2. Great. Now, if you haven't got that perfect, pause the video now and go over that a few times. I'm going to move on to the second line now. That's they're gonna rip it off. 3, 4, 1, 2. Taking their airtime right behind my back. So the only real difference is where we've got taking their airtime. We haven't got that C before taking. Otherwise, it's exactly the same as that first line of the piece. Okay, so it goes like this. 1, 2, 3. 3, 4, 1, 2. Okay, so let's try the first 2 lines all together. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 3, 4, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 3, 4, 1, 2. Great, now we're going to move on to talking to myself at night. So we've got A, G, G, F, E, D. We're going to miss out the and I'm for now. So just put your fingers down for an A, fingers down for a G, fingers down for an F, fingers down for an E, fingers down for a D. We're going to focus on self at night to start with, which is F, E, D. Just practice doing that. F, E, D, F, E, D, F, E, D. Let's go F, E, D at that speed after 4, 2, 3, 4. And again, 2, 3, 4. And again, 2, 3, 4. And again, 2, 3, 4. Great, now we're going to go self at 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Now before that we've got A, A, G, G. Let's just play that. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, 2, 3, 4. And again, 2, 3, 4. Great. Now let's put those two bits together. So talking to myself at 9, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And nice and slowly. 2, 3, 4. Now let's add on the and I'm talking to myself at 9. So after 3 this time. In 1, 2, 3. And again, 2, 3. Nice, once more, and 1, 2, 3. Great, now we're going to skip on to Can't Forget, which is C sharp, C sharp, D. Let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, C sharp is all 3, D is 1 and 3. So let's hear that again after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, 2, 3, 4. Great, so now we've got and I'm talking to myself at night because I can't forget. Let's try that, play it. And 1, 2, 3. And again, in 1, 2, 3. Great. Now the next line, we see behind a cigarette is exactly the same as because I can't forget. So we don't need to practice that bit. We're just going to go back and forth through my mind. Just chant that. 3, 4. Back and forth through my mind. And again, 3, 4. Back and forth through my mind. Let's play that. It's all on a D. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, 3, 4. Great. Now we've got let's hear that from back and forth. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, in 1, 2, 3, 4. Great, now we're going to try, and I'm talking to myself at night because I can't forget. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back and forth through my mind behind a cigarette. Just that much. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then the last line, and the message coming from my eyes. So it's 1, 2, 3, D, 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 F, D. Let's try that after 3, and 1, 2, 3. And again, 1, 2, 3. And again in 1, 2, 3. Great, then the last bar is ja, so it goes, and the message coming from my eyes says leave it alone. So we've just got 3, 4, 1 says leave it alone. Let's try playing that after 3, 4, 1. 3, 4, 1. And again in 3, 4, 1. Great. Now the whole thing, in fact, let's do the last line, so it's going to be after 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and again in 1, 2, 3. So the whole thing, the whole tune goes like this. This is the bit that you'll probably want to rewind to play along to a couple of times. I'm going to count out loud in the rests. You've got those numbers written in your music, so you can follow that. I will be counting out loud so you know where to come in, okay? 1, nice big breaths all the time in 1, 2, 3. 3, 4, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 3, 4, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay, there you are. As I said, rewind the video to that point to play the melody all the way through. That's the speed you need to be able to do it. You need to be able to do it really confidently and convincingly. So as I said, don't play it until you can get it right a couple of times. Practice it until you can't get it wrong. Practice it until it's second nature to play that right. Okay? Good luck practicing, and I'll see you next week.